looking pretty. Really refreshing. Jamaican Otaheite Apple. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly. Well, this is it for now. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Be strong.
Hello guys, once again. Today we're making some Jamaican apple juice, otherwise called Otaheite apple. So already wash the apples and cut it up. So I'm gonna put some in the blender along with pieces of ginger in it as well. My. So I'll blend this first. Alright, turn it on. That's very pretty, very damn pretty. Alright, we're gonna sweeten the taste, and I normally use a tang lemon flavor. So I'm using sugar on here, I just use a tang lemon flavor. Give it sweet enough. I'll add some more. Some piece of ginger. That's all I want. Pour some looking pretty. Really refreshing. Jamaican Otaheite apple. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly. Well, this is it for now. But thanks for watching and have a nice day.